Hello everyone, my name is Mubeen Teaching Wala. I belong to Torbat Balochistan and I am a level 1 student at Rehan College. Welcome to another exciting and informative Talk with ChatGPT session. Today we are going to discuss a very interesting and modern topic exploring digital nomadism. Is it the future of work? The way people work is changing rapidly with growth of technology, remote work, online businesses, and digital communication. Many people can now work from different locations without being tied to a traditional office. In this conversation, I will ask ChatGPT some interesting questions about digital nomadism, remote work, its benefits and challenges, the skills required, and whether this lifestyle could become an important part of the future of work. So let's begin this interesting conversation with ChatGPT and explore the changing world of work. What is So my first question is to ChatGPT: what is nomadism and what does it mean in simple words?
Nomadism basically means living in a way where you don't stay in one place permanently. Instead, people move from place to place, either following resources like animals and water, or, in today's sense, moving around while working remotely. In simple words, it's not having a single fixed home, but being flexible and adaptive about where you live and how you earn a living. And digital nomadism just applies that idea to modern jobs using technology.
What is digital nomadism different from traditional office work?
Good question. With traditional office work, you usually have one fixed location, set hours, and a pretty structured routine. Digital nomadism breaks that pattern. People can work from a cafe in Bangkok, then a co working space in Lisbon, then maybe a cabin in the mountains, all while staying connected online. It's more flexible, but it also demands discipline because the boundaries between work and personal life can blur pretty easily.
Why are more people becoming interested in remote and flexible work?
A lot of people like the freedom and balance. Remote work can cut out long commutes, let parents be home more, or give someone a chance to travel while still earning money. And on the employer side, companies can hire talent from anywhere, not just local to their office. Still, it's not just sunshine. Some miss the office camaraderie or struggle with too much screen time.
What types of jobs can digital nomads usually do?
Lots, actually. Common ones include software development, design, digital marketing, writing and editing, online teaching or tutoring, consulting, customer support roles too, and also content creation or social media management. Basically, any job that mainly needs a laptop and a solid internet connection can be done in a nomadic way.
What are the biggest benefits of becoming a digital nomad?
The biggest benefits are flexibility, independence, and exposure to new places and people. You get to design your day more around your life instead of around a commute. It can spark creativity too, because new environments bring new perspectives. But staying connected to reliable internet and keeping self discipline are challenges to keep in mind. It's not always easy, but for many, the trade offs can be worth it.
How can working remotely give people more flexibility?
Well, remote work means you're not tied to 9 to 5 in one building. You can schedule work around your most productive hours, maybe early morning, maybe late at night. And it can open space for family time, travel, or even just not rushing through life as much. The catch is you need to manage boundaries so work doesn't creep into every hour. When done well, that balance can be pretty empowering.
What are some challenges that digital nomads may face?
Yeah, challenges are real. Unstable internet can be a big one. Also, time zone differences can make meetings tricky. Loneliness can pop up without a regular community. And visas, taxes, and healthcare can get a bit complicated. Plus, some people miss long term friendships or a stable home base. So it's rewarding for some, but definitely not one size fits all.
What skills does a person need to become a successful digital nomad?
Good one. Self discipline is right at the top. You also need communication skills since most teamwork happens online. Adaptability is huge, like getting used to new places and routines quickly. Time management is big too. And honestly, a bit of tech savviness helps when apps or connections misbehave. You don't need to be a tech wizard, but being resourceful and comfortable learning new tools makes a huge difference.
How important are communication and time management skills for remote workers?
They're absolutely vital. Without clear communication, remote teams can easily misinterpret tasks or deadlines. And without time management, the freedom of remote work can actually backfire, leading to stress and burnout. Strong skills in those two areas are what turn flexibility into something sustainable instead of chaotic.
How does technology make digital nomadism possible?
Technology is the backbone. Fast internet, cloud storage, video calls, project management apps, secure payment systems, all these let people work from basically anywhere. Without those tools, you'd be stuck. But with them, you can join a meeting from a beach town, send files from a train, and keep a team in loop across the world. It's kind of wild how much that hinges on reliable Wi Fi and a battery charge.
Can students start developing digital skills that may help them work remotely in the future?
Yeah, absolutely. Students can build valuable digital skills by learning basic coding, trying content creation, practicing online communication, and even collaborating on remote projects. Things like using cloud documents, managing tasks with online boards, editing videos or graphics, even joining virtual internships. It's less about being an expert right now and more about experimenting, staying curious, and getting comfortable working with digital tools. That mindset is what really opens doors down the line.
What are the advantages and disadvantages of work from different countries or cities?
Sure. Advantages include exposure to new cultures, networking globally, and choosing locations that fit your lifestyle or budget. The disadvantages? Well, visas, taxes, and healthcare can get tricky. There's also the risk of feeling rootless or isolated. It's kind of a trade between freedom and stability, and everyone balances that differently.
What role does the internet play in the future of remote work?
The internet is the foundation. Without fast, reliable internet, remote work just doesn't function. As connectivity improves in more regions, remote opportunities expand too. Faster, cheaper, more stable connections mean more people can join this style of work. So, yeah, the internet's growth basically shapes how big and accessible remote work can become.
What advice would you give to young people who want to prepare for the future of work?
I'd say stay curious. Keeps learning new digital tools, but also nurture soft skills like communication, teamwork, and adaptability. Try internships, side projects, or volunteering online to test what fits you. And don't rush. Experiment. Figure out what kind of work rhythm feels good for you. The future of work isn't one fixed path, there are many. Start small, keep flexible, and build a mix of technical and human skills. That blend will keep you ready, whatever direction the world takes.
Thank you so much, ChatGPT, for this valuable and informative conversation. Today, we learned that digital nomadism is more than simply working while traveling. It represents a changing approach to work that is supported by technology, remote communication, digital skills, and flexible working environments. We also learned that digital nomadism can provide flexibility and new opportunities, but it also comes with challenges such as maintaining productivity, managing time, staying connected, and creating a healthy work life balance. Most importantly, we learn that the future of work will require us to continuously develop our digital skills, communications skills, adaptably, and ability to learn. The key lesson is simple: the future of work is changing, so we should prepare ourselves by learning new skills and staying adaptable. I hope this conversation help you understand digital nomadism and this changing world of work. Once again, this is thank you for watching talk with ChatGPT session. This is Mubeen Teaching Wala from Turbat Balochistan, and I am a level 1 student at Rehan College. Keep learning, keep exploring technology, and stay adaptable and prepare yourself for the future. Allah Hafiz, and see you in the next talk with ChatGPT session.
Thank you for the thoughtful wrap up, Mubeen Teaching Wala. Allah Hafiz, and take care until next time.